Hey there, space explorers. I'm Alex, your kid astronaut buddy, and welcome to an amazing adventure through our solar system. Cheerful music. Imagine blasting off from Earth on a rocket that's super fast. Whoosh. Today, we're gonna discover cool facts about planets that will make your eyes wide with wonder. Did you know our solar system has 8 planets zooming around the sun? It's like a giant cosmic playground. First up, let's head to the heart of it all, the sun. It's not a planet, but it's the boss of everything. Stick around as we learn why the sun is so powerful. Isn't that exciting? Get ready to zoom in. Whoa, look at that. Here's the sun, our solar system's superstar. Dramatic whoosh. It's a huge ball of hot gas, bigger than 1,000,000 Earths. Imagine if it was made of glowing cotton candy, but way hotter, like 1,000,000,000 light bulbs. The sun gives us light and heat, helping plants grow and making days bright. Without it, we'd be freezing in the dark. Fun fact, it takes light from the sun just 8 minutes to reach Earth, super speedy. But don't get too close. It's about 10,000 degrees Fahrenheit on the surface. Crazy hot, right? Now, from this fiery center, let's zip to the first planet, speedy Mercury. Hold on tight. Zooming in on Mercury. Rocket sound, it's the smallest planet and the closest to the sun, like the speedy little brother in the family. Mercury zips around the sun in just 88 days. That's faster than any car race. But boy, is it hot. Daytime temps hit 800 degrees, hot enough to melt lead like your toy car. At night, it drops to minus 300 degrees, BRRR, super cold. No air there, just rocks and craters from space rocks bumping in. Imagine playing hopscotch on those craters. Scientists think there might be ice in the shadows. Cool, huh? Next, let's visit Venus, the hot and cloudy planet. Adventure awaits. Hello, Venus. Mysterious music. She's like Earth's twin sister, same size, but super different. Venus is the hottest planet, hotter than Mercury, at 900 degrees. Why? Thick clouds trap heat like a blanket on a summer day. It rains acid there, but don't worry, it's not like lemonade, yucky stuff. Venus spins backwards, so sunrises are in the west. Imagine your backyard playground spinning the wrong way. Space probes have landed there, but they melt quick. Fun fact, its clouds are full of swirling winds faster than a race car. Now, speaking of home, let's head to our beautiful blue planet Earth. You're gonna love this. Home sweet home, Earth. Uplifting tune, we're the third rock from the sun, the only planet with life as we know it. Oceans cover most of it, like a big blue marble playground. We have air to breathe, water to drink, and animals everywhere, from tiny ants to huge whales. Earth spins once a day, giving us night and day, and orbits the sun in 365 days, a year. Isn't our planet amazing? From space, it looks like a glowing jewel, but we must protect it, no littering in space or on land. Fun fact, mountains on Earth are taller than some buildings, but tiny compared to space. Next stop, the red and rusty Mars. Let's go explore. Blast off to Mars, the red planet. Exciting whoosh. It's named after the god of war because of its rusty color, like iron in your playground dirt. Mars has the tallest volcano in the solar system, Olympus Mons, 3 times taller than Everest. Imagine climbing that, Hugh. There are huge canyons too, big enough to fit the US inside. Rovers like Curiosity roam around, finding rocks and maybe signs of old water. Could there be life there once? Or even aliens? Giggle Mars days are like Earth's, but years are twice as long. Dusty storms can cover the whole planet. Cool, right? Now let's jump to the biggest planet, mighty Jupiter. Whoa, Jupiter. Thunderous music. It's the king of planets, so big it could fit 1,300 Earths inside. Not rocky like Earth, but a gas giant made of hydrogen and helium, like a huge balloon. Its great red spot is a storm bigger than Earth that's raged for hundreds of years. Whirlwind City. Jupiter has over 90 moons, including Europa with a hidden ocean, maybe fishies there. Wonder it protects us from asteroids by pulling them in. Thanks, Jupiter. Imagine bouncing on its clouds. But winds are 300 mph, hold on. Fun fact, Jupiter spins so fast, a day is just 10 hours. Next, the ringed beauty, Saturn. Ta-da, Saturn with its fabulous rings. Sparkly sound, they're made of billions of ice chunks and rocks, like a hula hoop around its waist, spanning wider than 3 Earths wide. The rings are thin, though, less than a mile thick. Wow. Saturn is mostly gas, lighter than water. You could float it in a bathtub. It has 146 moons, including Titan with lakes of methane. Imagine skating on those. Winds whip at 1,100 mph, fastest in the solar system. Isn't Saturn like a cosmic jewelry box? Pretty amazing. Now meet the ice giants. Uranus and Neptune. Let's dive deeper. Out in the cold outer edges, we have Uranus and Neptune. Chilly wind sound, Uranus is icy blue and spins on its side, like it's doing a sideways roll. Temps are minus 350 degrees, colder than your freezer. It has faint rings and 27 moons. Neptune, the farthest, is windy with the fastest winds at 1200 mph. Its blue color comes from methane, like smelly gas but pretty. Great Dark Spot was a huge storm, gone now. Both are gas and ice giants. Imagine ice skating on their poles forever. Fun fact, Neptune's moon Triton orbits backwards. Mysterious. Before we leave the planets, let's check the asteroid belt. Buckle up. Between Mars and Jupiter lies the asteroid belt. Clinking rocks, it's like a cosmic junkyard with millions of rocky leftovers from the solar system's birth. The biggest is Ceres, almost a dwarf planet, home to water ice. Asteroids are different sizes, from dust to mountains. Some have metals like gold and iron treasure hunt. Spaceships zip through without hitting like slaloming. Fun fact, some asteroids have moons of their own. Imagine a rock with a buddy. But watch out for impacts, they make craters. Now beyond the planets, our solar system stretches far with comets and more. Get ready for the wow. Now zoom out to the stars and galaxies. Awe-inspiring music. Our solar system is just a tiny speck in the Milky Way, a galaxy with 100 billion stars, like sand on a beach. Stars are giant balls of gas burning bright, some bigger than the sun. Imagine wishing on all of them. Galaxies swirl like cosmic pinwheels, and there are trillions out there. The universe is expanding, getting bigger every second. Wow, mind-blowing. Light from far stars took millions of years to reach us. So we're seeing the past. Isn't the universe full of magic? As our adventure peaks, let's head back home with stars in our eyes. Hugh, what an adventure. Triumphant music. We've zoomed past planets, dodged asteroids, and gazed at galaxies. Remember, the universe is full of wonders waiting for you to discover. Keep looking up at the night sky and dreaming big. Who knows, maybe you'll be an astronaut someday. Thanks for joining me on Space Explorers. If you loved these facts, comment your favorite planet and subscribe for more cosmic fun. Cheers, what's next? Maybe black holes or alien worlds? Hit that bell. Until next time, keep exploring. Bye-bye from the stars.